Guys, today I'm going to be showing you a quick fix that I found for a problem that I've been having with my 98 Mustang GT, and that is the coolant light being stuck on, or the coolant level light being stuck on. So there's a little light down here. It took me a long time to figure out what it is because I don't have the owner's manual, but it's a little light down here. It's a picture of a radiator and a fan. That one, right there. That one has been sticking on, and I couldn't figure out why. Now there's a couple things that will cause that light to turn on. First off, the coolant level is low. So if you're watching this and you haven't actually checked your coolant level, what you want to do is wait for the engine to cool down and check your level. It should be right there, and you have to do it when the engine is cold. So like in the morning before you go to work, check your coolant level. If you need to, add some, see if that takes care of the problem. If that isn't the problem, what you're going to do is you come over here, unplug this. Now in my case, this is dirty. Alright, this is all corroded and it needs to be cleaned. It's poor contact, so it's tripping the circuit and throwing the code. I just cleaned mine off a little bit, and I'm going to clean it off a little bit more to show you guys what I did. And that took care of the light. If that's not what's going on, if cleaning it doesn't work, you're going to need to replace this little sensor, which is, it's like 10 bucks. It's really easy. I'll link one in the description. Yeah, so I'm going to go grab the electrical cleaner and some needle files and show you how to clean. Alright, so what we've got here is we've got a set of needle files and electrical cleaner. You don't necessarily need needle files, but they are very helpful for cleaning electrical contacts, and it's only like $3 for a little bag of them like that. Same with electrical cleaner. So I would highly recommend just going and buying some. It's like $5 and you'll be done. All you're gonna do is pop this loose, select a file, just get it in there, clean the contacts on this connector, and then clean the contacts on the sensor itself. And then once you're done scrubbing them off, hose it down with this, scrub them one more time, and then hose it off just to be sure. If you really want to be fancy, you could use an air compressor to dry it off, but you don't really need to. So that's about all there is to it. I'm going to go finish cleaning mine, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's a very simple fix. If that doesn't work, just replace your sensor. That's the only things that could cause the problem. At least that I want to get into. It could be a problem with the wiring and the dash, but that almost never happens. So it's probably either bad sensor, dirty connection, or low coolant. One other thing you could try if you really want to avoid replacing the sensor is removing it and cleaning the housing itself. But more than likely, if you need to clean the sensor, it's all corroded, and cleaning it will damage it even further, and it's just better to get a new one at that point. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to know anything else about this car, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more to it, like an intake manifold, maybe some brakes, I don't know. I have a video about how to fix the clutch knock. And we do a lot more on this channel besides just talk about this particular car. We're working on that F250 over there. I do reviews and some other fun stuff, so feel free to subscribe. And if I missed anything here, let me know down in the comments. And once again, thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.